I'm just setting up here for a left-hand internal corner. So you want to take from the edge of the panel, bearing in mind the flashing's 150mm wide, we're cutting out 170mm of the batten there. So I've prepared this left-hand side flashing. We've taken a section of the batten here out. That's 170mm. Go from that point there to measure your 170mm, and you'll have some clearance then. After that, we've slid this side flashing in, and it goes up above here by about 120mm. We've put again some expanding tape here to catch the gap. We'll put these flashing clips, 3 of them, up here. So we put in another batten here, and that's again to catch the tiles. Other than that, I think we're pretty much set up to put this bottom flashing in now. So that's the completed left-hand bottom corner. It's very simple, really easy to install, very few pieces. The same rules apply for the flexible lead bottom flashing as well, so you can follow this video with that as well.